Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix app not working in Etoro. So there are several reasons for that to happen, so let's walk you through step by step. Now the first reason or the first cause could be simply from their side. So as you can see here, I'm on Etoro. So what I'm going to do is add status.etoro, and this will give me an access to this page. In this page, I can literally view if there is any problem with Etoro. So I can literally know if this is a problem from their side or it is from my side. Normally you will find here reported or basically incidents reported here, so you can view them and see what is being scheduled, what's been in progress, and what's been completed in case there was any problem to be fixed. So this is the thing number one, which is to wait for them in case there were the problem to fix the problem from their side. The second thing is in case you were using your phone and you haven't downloaded the correct application, then of course the application will not be working as it should be. So make sure to download it either from these buttons that are in the etoro.com account/logout. You will find these buttons. Simply just try to scan this code and they will take you to the download page, which you will download the authenticate Etoro application. Now, if you still consistently have this problem, then I highly recommend you to try to switch your phone, or basically try to switch your mobile into mobile data or Wi-Fi, because you will need a good internet to have access to that application. And for simply for the actual PC users, in case the website itself wasn't working, try to delete the cookies inside data. So go here, click on here and delete these two things. Don't delete anything else, and this would refresh any bugs or unworking files that were misinterrupted within Etoro. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.